Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to use Zotero. That's a reference software for your assignments. So if you can go on the Google search for Zotero, and you should be able to find the free downloads. Once you finish downloading, make sure you also download the plugins for Word documents, and also install the plugins for a web browser. So in that case, once you installed everything, you should be able to see Zotero on your toolbar in Word documents. Also, you'll be able to see this little icon here on your web browser. So it depends on the resource you're adding. So right now it's just a web page. You can see it's like just a page. But if it is a book, which we often found in Victoria University Library, any book that you read, or any book that you want to add into your reference, then you search the book on Victoria University Library website, and then you can see the blue book button right here. It says save to Zotero, so you just need to save it. So it looks like my Zotero is not running, so I just need to click Zotero and make sure it's running at first. So so you'd be able to, once you click on it, you'd be able to see an interface like that. That's just showing that it's running. So now, to add any books or articles, you just need to search on, make sure it's a legitimate website, otherwise Zotero won't be able to read it. So I normally just use Victoria University Library website, search any book or articles I need, and then you just go click the blue book right here. It says save to Zotero. So in my Zotero, I have different folders for different subjects, so it's easier for me to find once I've done it. So all you need to do is click on it, and that's it. So it's just saved automatically. When you use it, so I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to open up a new document. So make sure that Zotero is running at all times when you're writing your assignment. So all you need to do, so I'm writing my assignments, I want a citation here. I just need to click Zotero and add citation. And normally it's automatically selected for us for the APA 6th edition. You just need to click OK. And then you just pick, so all the blue icons are books, and the pages could be articles, could be some online documents. So you just pick anything that you've saved there. So let's say I'm just using a book, and you just click OK, and it should add it in automatically. To add into the reference, you do need to type in a reference, create a section, and all you need to do is just add the bibliography. So you can see it's just automatically. So once you have this session created, next time when you're adding a citation, the reference will be created for you automatically. For example, I'm adding, let's say, Armstrong's Handbook for Human Resource Management. Now it's automatically created, and also the reference is automatically created like this. So sometimes if it's if the book has online resource as well, then you get this web page. So often I just delete them, but most of the books won't have any of that. So for example, just give you another example. You type and want to add a citation. You just go on, say how to change. This is the article, so I'm just adding it as article, and then you can see it's automatically saved in here. So you don't need to worry about the spellings. You don't need to worry about the format, because it's automatically created for you. Okay, that's it. Enjoy it.